Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Your Earnings Are on Hold. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So you can see from this picture, a lot of people are facing the same problem, that their payment is on hold, usually from 5 days to a week. Now, this is the main security problem that Facebook has, and this is the main page that discusses about it. The most important thing you need to know is that potentially the error might be from the ID that you have sent in. Either it's blurry or your details have any errors in them that do not match. For example, your bank account's name can have a different name from the one that is on your ID. So you need to make sure that the details that you have filled must match from each other, such as your bank account name, your ID name, your full name, all of those. So the amount of hold varies depending on the estimated cost of your ad campaign. And so from that, all of it can access through depending on how big it is. So if it's a large amount and it doesn't match in the names, then it's going to last longer. But if it's just another $20, $30, then it should be much easier. And from here, the ads will resume as soon as the Meta confirms the temporary hold with your bank. So the main issue that you would like to solve from here is to simply just request a support ticket from it. And Facebook ads have really good support tickets. So when you go to this page, which I'll leave in the description, go to the business support homepage, and then from here, just simply submit a ticket for it, and they will respond to you as soon as possible. Make sure to attach with this a clear image of your ID. And so from that, it should be all good. They just need to verify you. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.